Hey, this is Yasir here, and today we're talking about removing a heavy buildup. You have a car that's haven't been washed in a while, or sits on the trees, and it gets this buildup, and you want to know how to remove it. One way you can do it is using an all-purpose cleaner to spray on it. You can try to use soap and water, but you're going to be out here quite a while. Some people use a heavier product called the degreaser, but I don't recommend that because it actually kind of removes the oils from the paint, so it does it faster. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, but the process is basically, I'll show you here, is you want to wet the surface first. That's my director. So you wet the surface up real good. And then I have a nice little pump spread, so it makes it a lot easier. So you want to spray the area and let it sit. So I'm in direct sunlight, so you want to definitely monitor it and make sure it doesn't dry. You don't want the surface to dry. And even if the area is not spraying, just kind of wet the fender or the area that, in case you get a little overspray. Otherwise, you'll get runs going down the side of the paint. So ACP, all-purpose cleaner, APC, which one? ACP is a company. All-purpose cleaner, APC. This is breaking pretty fast, as you can see with my hand. So I can basically, you got a pressure washer, that would be good, or you can just go straight to the wash wheel. But I'm going to wash it with the mint. So and it'd be good to have, like, if you got one of these with a little bug scrubber on it, a little scrubber. But this is coming off pretty easy. I don't have to work that hard. And then if you got the little joints here, you want to have a brush, but I can just use the mint to go in there. There's the fibers on here. So most people don't have a pressure washer, so just want to use the hose. Not a lot of pressure here. I actually have the water turned down kind of low. That's basically it. So on the front here, watch this. You gonna show me how to do it? Okay. Alright. Here. You use this. Oh, we need some gloves, man. We gotta get some gloves. Next time. Hold on. You don't have any gloves on. That's my helper, director, boss. He always wants to get involved. He's all of those above. And that's it. So the surface is clean and it's ready for the next step, where you're gonna plate it, polish it, put some protection on it, a little sealant, spray sealant. So whatever you need to do, it's ready to go. This side was cleaned strictly with the all-purpose cleaner and wash soap. So I'm just going to see what happens if I just use the soap. See how well it comes off. It does come off rather easily. So compared to this side, I can still feel where I'll most likely need to go over it again. another thing, if you keep your car washed on a regular basis, keep it clean on a regular basis, and I let this build up intentionally for this video. But if you keep some kind of protection on it, keep it clean, keep it protected with a sealant, a wax, or ceramic coating, it's going to be a lot easier to clean. So that's why it's important to always put something on the paint. It makes cleaning easier, helps maintain your look longer, and if you have the need to wash it yourself, it won't take as long. I'm just kind of washing over this, but it's clean. So keeping your car clean on a regular basis is definitely helpful. Saves you a lot of time and energy. Hope you enjoyed this tip, and got any questions, please feel free to message me or leave them in the comments, and take care.